I am fortunate enough to have a 6-speed swap in this car. However, I hate this gear knob. And what I have here is a old housing from a, what does it say, a 20G, TD06 20G, that is all cast aluminum. So I think the first thing I've got to do is cut this down so it'll actually fit in my crucible to be melted down. I'm just going to have to cut this with an angle grinder. I think if I go this way, that'll give me the best chance of getting this to actually fit. Problem is I'm down to my last blade and I don't have a whole lot of meat on it. So I'm not even sure if I can make this work this way, but we'll find out. My blade's not quite long enough to get all the way through this thing. I'm close. Just have this little bit right here, I think, that's actually holding them together. So I've got the Sawzall out. I'm gonna see if maybe I can get through it this way. Success. That's pretty cool. We're gonna Stokio this. Oh. Okay, got the aluminum melting part of the turbo melting. You can tell it's already getting misshapen in there. Once that melts down, we will add the other turbo. Oh. Got our second turbo housing piece pretty much melted down. Now we're gonna have to kind of skim off that skin on top before we pour it. Other than that, I think we're actually about ready to go. This is just aluminum, so it's not, not that hot. It's what, 1100 degrees, something like that. Oh, it knows my pants don't feel like they're gonna catch on fire like linear copper. Get all that nasty crap off the top. And hope this doesn't have a steam explosion when we pour it. If so, we're gonna look like Darth Vader, right? No, there's a bit. Almost had just the right amount. All right, so we've got our aluminum bit. It's too hot to touch. Well, I can probably touch it with that. Okay, so we were impatient and wanted to see what our piece of aluminum looked like. So we just cut it with an angle grinder. Oh, grab the wrong side, right? Okay. I think that's solid enough to be aluminum. No, I mean, it's definitely aluminum. That's solid enough, I think, that we can turn this down to be a shift knob. Still very hot. Not too much porosity, really, honestly. I mean, we have some at the very bottom where the the sand was. Obviously, there was some moisture in the sand that was bubbling up into the aluminum as we poured it, but we've got definitely enough good material there. Okay, it's been a few days with family stuff. We've been all busy, but we are arriving at my buddy's machine shop, so we can finally get this thing completely made. Look at that unit. So this is the shape we're going for. Okay. Yeah. It makes complete sense to me. here we go. I'm obviously probably going to polish it a little bit more. And I don't know if you can see, there's still some porosity in it from the casting. Now for the moment of truth to see if it fits. Hey, out with the old. Okay, out with the old. The threads fit. There's a turbo into a shift knob. Very many thanks to my friend Chase for letting us borrow his machine shop and some of his expertise and time. Anyways, thanks for watching.